Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits.
Let's go, quickly now!
Good. Yes. The hyperdrive also.
That's going to take off in 20 seconds.
Anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Run 2, Blue 5. We got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Oh my god.
Let me down, run up.
Oh my god. Stay with us. Slow down, then. Slow down. Oh my god.
Quickly move along, all the way down that corridor.
Oh my god.
Stay with your group as you enter the hallway.
Hey, it's Willy Wonka's hallway. Oh.
Is of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Give everyone hands up, please. Show them the yellow tab on the right-hand side. Yellow tab on the right. You first row, once you're about to hands up, please. Hands up, show them the yellow tab on the right-hand side.
Tug it.
Tug it here from your son. Watch out on the left, this one's going to be sliding closed right now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't be caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Oh, look at. Look up.
There goes the prisoner. Your cover is blown. Find it.
Oh my god!
These two droids.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields?
Oh my god,
I see no evidence.
Now!
Found the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave,
Wow.
but ultimately hopeless.
Wow.
Nowhere to run.
Here it is. Here. Oh crap. Oh my god. Holy crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh. Ah!
3. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
I am not crying.
Scaffery's copy.
Lieutenant Petria. You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.